Hello, I have an announcement to make. LINC is not going away. Just because you don't have our 8th grade buddies to read with us does not mean that LINC is just over. They decided to put something together for us. So the top reader of each 2nd grade class is going to win a $35 Walmart gift card. The competition takes place now. It's never too late to read. You can read whenever you want, and anytime you finish a book. They want you to take an AR quiz. And your AR quizzes, we've all taken them before in the classroom. You log into Renaissance, and then you go to find a book. You type in the name of the book, and you should be able to take a quiz on it. In order to win, you need to read at least 10 books, take at least 10 quizzes, and make sure that you pass those quizzes. So remember, this is a competition between all of 2nd grade. And you're able to win money. I mean, I think that is so exciting and so cool. You can always take a quiz on a book that I read to you, that Miss Lantigua read to you, that you read by yourself. You can take more than one quiz in a day. So I think this is a really fun thing that you guys should do. Remember to continue to read, read, read.